Hello dear students, how are you? Today we have a new lesson. The title of the lesson is Ecological Problems, the Protection of Nature. Aims of the lesson: to teach the students to speak about ecological problems, the protection of nature, to develop the students' skills in reading, writing, and speaking. Ecology seeks to know the whole diversity of the organization of life and earth, the relationship between animals, plants, and their environment. Ecology serves as the scientific basis for the rational user protection of biological resource. The goal of environmental research is to preserve the human environment. Assessment criteria. Reviews on this topic is satisfactory. Fully versed in the topic, performs the task is good. Compare the analyzes the topic, performs all tasks is excellent. Environment problems. The problem of ecology is very important today because we live in a polluted world. People all over the world discussed environmental protection, but they still continue to pollute air, water, and soil. Plants and factories are being built near rivers and lakes. The water is full of industrial waste, and this kills animals, insects, and plants. There are some organizations that we created to protect our nature from pollution. The most famous organization is Greenpeace. It protects animals from dying out. There are special farms and organizations that help wild animals to survive. People who work in such places feed animals and cure them. There are several types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. Air pollution is caused by different means of transport in big cities. Our cities are full of smoke because of heavy traffic, and people notice that it is hard to breathe there. Cars, buses, and plants are among the worst air polluters. Factories and plants also pollute air, pouring harmful gases and smoke into the air, and that causes lung disease among people and does harm to our health. Acid rains that appear because of air pollution damage forests and soil. Water pollution is another dangerous kind of pollution. Factories and plants throw wastes into rivers and lakes, making them dirty. Animals die when they drink this water. People get sick when they swim in it and eat fish that live there. Soil pollution stops plants from growing and makes people sick when they eat fruit and vegetables grown on polluted soil. People also pollute soil by leaving litter on it. Forests are full of used bottles, wraps, and cans. Such litter can be found in rivers and lakes too. Wild animals get sick and because of this. Please listen to the new words and write down your copybook and learn by heart. Acid rain. Acid rain. Apio. Apio. Breathe. Breathe. Crate. Crate. Cure. Cure. Die out. Die out. Do harm. Do harm. Environmental. Environmental. Protection. Protection. Gasoline. Gasoline. Get sick. Get sick. Harmful gases. Harmful gases. Heavy truck. Heavy traffic. Industrial waste. Industrial waste. Insect. Insect. Invent. Invent. Litter. Litter. Lung disease. Lung disease. Pollute. Pollute. Prevent. Prevent. Recycle. Recycle. reduce, 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 reduce. Ecological problem and protection of nature have three main types of pollution. The first is air pollution, is a mixture of solid particles and gases on the air. Car emissions, chemicals from factories, dust, pollen, and mold spores may be suspended as particles. Ozone, a gas, a major part of air pollution in cities. Some air pollutions are poisonous. The second is water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies, usually as a result of human activities. Water bodies include, for example, lakes, rivers, oceans, aquifers, and groundwater. For example, realizing inequality treated wastewater into natural water bodies can lead to degradation of ecosystems. Third is land pollution. Land pollution, the deposition of solid or liquid waste materials on land of underground in a manner that can contaminate the soil and groundwater, threaten public health, and cause unsightly conditions and nuisances. Municipal soil waste pollution, municipal solid waste on a beach. Please answer the following question. Why is the problem of ecology important today? What are the types of pollution? What can you say about each of them? Do you reduce, reuse, and recycle litter? Why? What should people do to prevent pollution? What are the three main types of pollution? What are examples, the reason to each pollution? Do you know about Kazakhstan ecological problems? Environmental test. The tallest grass in the world is a bamboo, that is. Which country doesn't have rainforests? Which animals have got smaller eyes in proportion to their bodies. How much water can a camel drink in 10 minutes? Which process takes less water? Open the brackets to complete the sentences. A hurricane is a wind or storm. It is to be near the crater of volcano. Disasters can damage houses and kill people. Emergency do their best to save people. Sometimes situations are very to solve. The ocean polluted with waste. We should solve problems. Air is very dangerous for people. The of scientists are alarming. What are the most serious? Please, I'll give you home task. Write down a short essay for the ecological issues of Kazakhstan. Now the students, our lesson is over. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.